Part 2. Decline of Mughal Empire. Aurangzeb's policies. The crisis in the empire began during Aurangzeb's reign due to his misguided policies which accelerated the Mughal decline. His religious policies, characterized by bigotry and orthodoxy, disturbed social harmony among various societal sections. The reimposition of jizya, pilgrimage tax, and destruction of Hindu temples incited rebellions from Jats, Sikhs, Marathas, and Rajputs, significantly destabilizing the empire's foundation. Furthermore, his Deccan policy drained resources and energy without yielding fruitful results. The infertile land of the Deccan proved unprofitable, leading to a prolonged struggle with the Marathas that only exacerbated the empire's decline. The Jagirdari and agrarian crises further destabilized the Mughal economy, with an overabundance of Jagirdars leading to an economic crisis. As the Jagirdari system became exploitative, it sparked revolts among peasants, contributing to the empire's eventual demise. Aurangzeb overview of Deccan policy. Aurangzeb's Deccan policy significantly impacted the Mughal empire's decline. He dedicated 27 years of his rule to this unfruitful venture, draining resources and energy without achieving substantial gains. The infertile land resulted in minimal revenue, leading to economic strain. Scholars, including J. F. Richards, argue that Aurangzeb's prolonged involvement in the Deccan region and conflicts with the Marathas played a crucial role in the overall decline of the empire. Jagirdari crisis economic impact. The Jagirdari crisis emerged as a significant factor in the decline of the Mughal empire. Both Professor Satish Chandra and Professor Atha Ali highlighted that the economic instability stemmed from a shortage of Jagirs coupled with an overabundance of Jagirdars. This imbalance destabilized the Mughal economy, leading to widespread discontent and contributing to the empire's eventual fall. The implications of the Jagirdari system played a crucial role in the empire's decline. Agrarian crisis overview of economic impact. The agrarian crisis during the Mughal Empire was marked by the exploitative Jagirdari system. This system led to increased pressure on peasants, resulting in widespread discontent. Scholars like Professor Irfan Habib highlighted how the economic strains and mismanagement ignited revolts against Mughal authority. The resulting instability further accelerated the decline of the empire, showcasing the need for reform in agricultural policies to maintain control and harmony. Overview of decline. Aurangzeb's policies, religious intolerance and misguided policies under Aurangzeb accelerated the empire's decline, disturbing social harmony and leading to multiple rebellions. Economic factors. The Jagirdari crisis and agrarian exploitation caused significant economic instability, contributing to the downfall of the Mughal Empire. Deccan campaign. Aurangzeb's prolonged engagement in the Deccan region drained resources without yielding benefits, significantly weakening the empire's strength and stability.